We're all hot messes. Hey, I never said I was a hot mess. I think I'm hot I think I am the best thing since sliced bread. Thank you very much. Every creator has to think that they're hot shit to some extent. Thank you. Thank you. We love unconfident. I just felt going from 100 to 0 in no time flat. I think I got whiplash from that. We love Prince.
Nailoth says, every creator has to think they are hot to some extent. Oh, believe me, I know plenty who think they're hot stuff. Just look at Pazuah. Confidence is key, but it can be a tad overcooked.
I'm gonna murder a bird.
Hoot.
I'm going to murder a bird. I'm going to murder a bird live on the internet in front of people. I swear to God. Why, Andy? I gave you life and this is how you treat me. Thanks for sharing a moment at the Hardy Old Owl Tavern. Click the follow button and we hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.